Today's video is on compound angles. In today's video, I am going to give solutions for the most important questions. So, the first question here is if a plus b is equal to 3 pi by 4, then we have to prove that 1 minus tan a into 1 minus tan b is equal to 2. And the next question here is if a plus b is equal to pi by 4, then we have to prove that 1 minus cot a into 1 minus cot b is equal to 2. Clear? First one, I'm going to give solution for the first question. That is, if a plus b is equal to 3 pi by 4, then what we have to show that? We have to show that 1 minus tan a into 1 minus tan b is equal to 2. So here it is given that a plus b is equal to, this is 3 pi by 4. Clear? So I am writing this as a plus b is equal to pi minus, this is pi by 4. See, if I take 4 as LCM, this will be 4 pi minus pi. So which is equal to 3 pi. Clear? And next one, a plus b is equal to, this is pi minus pi by 4. Now I am taking tan theta on both sides. See, if I take tan theta on both sides, see what happens here. As you know, the tan of a plus b is equal to tan a. So this is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. And again tan of 180 minus theta is nothing but minus tan theta. In place of theta we have pi by 4. So pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees, and I am writing this as tan a plus tan b by 1 minus, this is tan a into tan b is equal to minus 1. I am sending this denominator to other side. So this will become tan a plus, this is tan b is equal to, if I send this one, so this is minus 1 and minus of minus plus tan a into, this is tan b. Clear? See now, this value is tan a plus, this is tan b. I am sending this tan a plus tan a into tan b to other side. So it will become minus, this is tan a into, this is tan b, which is equal to minus 1. Now see what I am going to do. So this is tan a. I am subtracting minus 1. So if I subtract, I have to add plus 1. So this is tan b minus, this is tan a into tan b. So I am subtracting minus 1 and again adding plus 1. So which is equal to, so this is equal to minus 1. So I made this one minus 1 plus 1 for my convenience. And next one, so this can be tan a minus 1. And if I take minus tan b common, so if I take minus tan b common, this will be tan a and this is minus 1. If I send this plus 1 to other side, so this will be minus 1. Clear? And again, so if I take this tan a minus 1 common from this, so this will be tan a minus 1. If I take common, this will be 1 minus, this is tan b, which is equal to minus 2. So if I take minus common from this, so this will be 1 minus tan a into 1 minus, this is tan b is equal to, this is minus 2. So if I cancel this, so if I cancel this minus on both sides, then what happens here? Then this is 1 minus tan a into, this is 1 minus tan b is equal to 2. So this is what it is asked. So we have to prove that 1 minus tan a into 1 minus tan b is equal to 2. See, clear? So first of all, it is given that a plus b is equal to 3 pi by 4. So I wrote this 3 pi by 4 as pi minus pi by 4. So after taking tan on both sides and expanding tan of a plus b as tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So tan of 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. So tan pi by 4 is nothing but minus 1. After sending this denominator to other side, this will be minus 1, and this is minus of minus plus tan A into tan B. So after sending tan A tan B to other side, so it becomes minus. So in the next step, I have subtracted minus 1 and added 1. So in order to balance this one, so after that, tan A minus 1, and I have taken minus tan B from these two. So this will be tan A minus 1, and this plus 1, if it goes to other side, it will be minus 1. So this is, if I take tan A minus 1 common, then this will be 1 minus tan B is equal to minus 2. So if I take minus common, this will be 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan B is equal to minus 2. After cancelling negative sign on both sides, I got the answer as 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan B is equal to 2. So this is what it is asked to prove that. And the next question, an important question is, so what is given? A plus B is equal to pi by 4. So after giving a plus b is equal to pi by 4, and we have to show that 1 minus cot a into 1 minus cot b is equal to again 2. See here, it is given that a plus b is equal to clearly pi by 4. Now I am taking, so a plus b is equal to, this is pi by 4, and now this time I am taking cot on both sides. So cot of a plus b is equal to, this is cot of pi by 4. So what is cot of a plus b? As you know that cot of a plus b is nothing but cot a into, this is cot b minus 1 by, this is cot a plus this value is cot b. So which is equal to plus 1. See, this is plus 1. So if I send this to other side, so this will be cot A into cot B minus 1 is equal to, this is cot A plus this value is cot B. So if I bring this cot A cot B to other side, so it will become cot A plus cot B minus, this is cot A into cot B is equal to, I am leaving minus 1 on other side. So now see what happens here. So now I am adding minus 1. So here I am introducing minus 1 for my convenience, plus, so this is cot B minus, this is cot A into cot B. So in order to balance this one, if I introduce minus 1, I have to add plus 1, which is equal to minus 1 again. See here, now what happens? So if I take cot A minus 1, see this is cot A minus 1, and from these two if I take minus cot B common, so this will be cot A minus 1. If I send this plus 1 to other side, so this will be minus 1. So again, if I take cot A minus 1 common, so if I take cot A minus 1 common from these two, so this will be cot A minus 1. So this will be 1 minus this value is cot B, which is equal to minus 2. So if I take minus common from this, so this will be 1 minus cot A into 1 minus cot B is equal to again minus 2. So if I cancel this minus on both sides, so what remains here? So this will be 1 minus cot A into, this is 1 minus cot B is equal to 2, and this is the required answer. So if a plus b is given as pi by 4, then see what happens. So I have to introduce cot on both sides. Cot of a plus b is nothing but cot a cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b, which is equal to 1. So if I send this denominator to other side, and if I send cot a cot b to other side, see, after introducing minus 1 and plus 1, from these two cot a minus 1, from these two terms if I take minus cot b common, this will be cot a minus 1. So plus 1, if it goes other side, it is minus 1. So if I take cot a minus 1 common, this will be 1 minus cot b. So if I cancel minus on both sides, then 1 minus cot a into 1 minus cot b is equal to 2. Hope you all guys got a clear idea on the solution. Thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. If you really like, please practice and pass it on to your friends. Thank you so much.